In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade plan in Surveymonkey. First, open your browser and head to the Surveymonkey homepage. Sign into your account so you land on your dashboard. From here, glance to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Upgrade. Click that to go to the Pricing and Plans page. On the Pricing page, your goal is to choose a plan that fits how you work. You'll notice options grouped into two main categories: team plans and individual plans. If you collaborate with colleagues, share surveys, or need centralized administration, start by looking at team plans. Here you'll see choices like Team Advantage, Team Premier, and Enterprise. Team Advantage is designed for groups that want shared access and essential collaboration. Team Premier adds more advanced features and controls for larger or more complex teams. Enterprise is tailored for organizations that require enhanced governance, security, and support. Pick the tier that aligns with your team size, the level of collaboration you need, and the depth of administrative controls your organization expects. If you work solo, switch to individual plans. You'll typically see Premier Annual, Advantage Annual, and Standard Monthly. Premier Annual is great if you want the most robust feature set and you're comfortable committing for the year to get the best value. Advantage Annual provides strong capabilities at a more moderate level, also on an annual commitment. Standard Monthly is ideal if you need flexibility month to month, or you're testing the waters before upgrading long term. As you compare, consider how often you send surveys, the analysis tools you rely on, and whether predictable annual billing or flexible monthly billing suits your budget. Pricing and availability may vary by region, and taxes can apply, so review the totals shown on the page. Once you've decided, click Select under your chosen plan. This takes you to checkout. Start by filling in your billing details carefully. Enter your billing name and address exactly as they appear on your payment method. If you're purchasing for a business, include your company information and any tax details if prompted, so your invoice is correct. Next, add your payment method. Choose from the options presented on the page and enter the required information. Before you finalize, review the order summary, confirm the plan, the billing frequency, and the total amount, and check the renewal terms so you know how and when you'll be charged. When everything looks good, click Subscribe and Pay. After processing, your account will update to the new plan, and your upgraded features will be available right away. That's it. You've successfully upgraded your plan in Surveymonkey.